Hi, it's Ian for the Huawei Nova 11 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with the Ampere app on this device. So we should first get the Ampere app from the app gallery. That's why in the search bar enter the Ampere. And now just tap to install this application, tap to continue and wait a couple of seconds. So just tap once again to install. Ampere successfully installed. So let's just open the app. Tap to OK, I agree, close, OK, and we could see information about battery temperature, and in my case that's 32 degrees. And also we got here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, Android version, and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.